$8,000 credit card with just soft pull pre-qualification? Well, hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Oaks. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can get this $8,000 worth of credit card with very easy approval and just a soft pull pre-qualification. We are going to give you the step-by-step guide that how you can get it, and there's a reason that we are saying $8,000 because that's what we have experienced till now, and we don't know the highest limit of that credit card. It could go up as well and it could be down as well. So make sure you watch this video till the end to understand how you can get this credit card, and remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you will get the notification when we upload that video for you. And please just smash that like button as it really helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is the biggest opportunity of today, and name is CrowdFit credit card. Yes, you heard it right, and they say that this is the only credit card that makes you wealthier. But if you focus on it, it's not financially wealthier, it's wealthier as in health wise. So yes, this is indeed a credit card that you can get with soft pull pre-qualification, but we will tell you how you can do that with the step-by-step guide, and we are also going to give you the complete review of this CrowdFit credit card that you can get easily and you can stay fit as well. Well, these are two different things, financial point of view and the health point of view. So why we are saying that and why the CrowdFit claim that this credit card could make you wealthier? Well, let us tell you financial prospects of it first. Remember that this is indeed one of those credit cards which could give you highest cash back we've ever seen anywhere. Yes, it's one of the top cards right now. As you can see right here, amplify your cash rewards with the CrowdFit Wellness Rewards MasterCard. This is a MasterCard. It means you have a lot of other perks as well. Means your cell phone insurance and other perks as well. Whatever is attached with the MasterCard. Well, right here, according to them, they'll give you 4% cash back on expanding with qualifying health, wellness and medical and lifestyle partners. So if you spend on the health, wellness and Medicare as well as lifestyle partners, then you're going to get a big chunk of 4% cash back. This is indeed a big number. You could also get 2% cash back on qualifying grocery purchases. You remember the city credit card and the double cash one where you do the grocery, you'll get the 1% back. When you make the payment, you get another person back, and that is 2%. Well, right here you just need to buy the grocery and you get 2% cash back. Now the next one is 1% cash back on all other purchases, and the great thing about this is that there's no annual fee at all, as mentioned right here as well. If you can see, there's $0 annual fee, and this is indeed a very important perk, and we love the credit cards which has no annual fee because we believe whatever the annual fee that we pay, it's kind of go in the trash bin, because why would I have to pay a company that I'm carrying a credit card, and sometimes somewhere if I carry a balance I have to pay the APR as well? Well, we don't recommend that, and this is not a financial advice and this is not a financial video as well, but make sure that you don't carry the balance on any of the credit cards unless and until on a very tiny cases that you have a credit card which has 0 APR for a specific number of months a year, right? So the next perk is a free 1-year CrowdFit premium membership. They are a company that rewards people lives a healthy lifestyle. Well, you can actually go and research about it. This is indeed a very important thing because right now a healthy lifestyle is really hard to carry, and if they're offering something like this, then we believe that this is indeed a very important credit card and a platform as well. Well, the next one is unlock your daily CrowdFit Wellness Rewards app. They have it on the iPhone. Claim process for entries into CrowdFit cash giveaways. They have cash giveaways, and there's a lot of them. Means people, as you can see, there's a lot of pictures on their website. The people actually won up to $5,000. So when you use the credit card, you'll get your entry in the giveaway, and then you'll get more chances to win more rewards. Near instant access to CrowdFit Wellness Rewards MasterCard. Upon approval, allowing cardholders to begin making purchases online in-app at the point of sale. So as soon as you get the approval, you can actually buy stuff online with the app only. You don't have to have a physical card at that time, but when you get the physical card, of course, you can use it anywhere you want. Then select a free MyFitnessPal or Calm 1-year premium membership after your card is approved. Means they do have an app, as we already mentioned, and you can actually download the app, and then you can use their services to be active, I believe, in particularly. As mentioned earlier, it's a 4% cashback on eligible health and wellness spending. And you can choose 1-year premium membership to MyFitnessPal or Calm. That's their app name right there. Claim entries, Knowing Fit Weekly, cash giveaways, of course you can do that as well. But let us tell you now that what are the steps that you need to apply in order to get this credit card. So what you need to do, you need to click on the apply today. We are going to paste the link below in the video's description as well, so don't worry about it. When you do that, of course, there are 3 steps that you can use. The first, that you can use your Apple ID to log in and apply for this credit card. The second one is the Google ID, and the third one is the email. And you know what we love about this credit card? That see if you qualify with no negative impact to your credit. Means is just a soft pull, means no impact to your credit score at all. And that's what we love about all the credit cards, who gives people the opportunity to check their credit limit, to check if they're approved or not, with just soft pull pre-qualification. If you don't know about what is soft pull, but there are 2 types of credit checks: soft pull and hard pull. Hard pull, of course, affects your credit. It puts a hard inquiry on your credit, but it's a soft pull, it doesn't matter. It doesn't show up on the credit report, and it's very safe to use. So we always prefer soft pull pre-qualification or soft pull pre-approval. We will tell you the difference in upcoming video about what is pre-qualification, what is pre-approval. But remember that when you do that, again, when you do the pre-qualification, you accept the offer, they are going to do a hard pull. Yes, if you don't know this, now you know it. So now, what's going on right now? Well, let us tell you that after that, they're going to ask you your first name, your last name, and of course there's a terms and services. You need to click on it, and then you need to put your email right here. And then they're going to ask you about your personal details, your name, your age, of course, your social security number and other things. Then they're going to ask you about your income and expenses. Then they're going to tell you the approval results, means either you're approved or not. It means it is pre-qualification. They'll tell you that you are approved for this much amount, and if you accept it, then they're gonna do a hard pull. Remember, they're going to put a hard pull if you approve the offer. And then they're going to verify your identity. Of course, they have their own things like your travel license or any other things. Then you can get your card. But remember, if you get approved, you can use the virtual card on your app and buy whatever you want online. So thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.